Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn listening English with a story. Fiona Fox and Horace Hedgehog's Forest Friendship. Deep in a colorful autumn forest lived a clever fox named Fiona. She loved exploring the woods with her bright orange fur shining among the fallen leaves. One crisp autumn morning, Fiona was trotting along a forest path when she heard a small sound. Sniffle, sniffle, she stopped and listened carefully. Hidden under a pile of golden leaves, Fiona found a little hedgehog. He was round and prickly, and he looked very sad. He was shivering and sniffling. "Hello," said Fiona gently. "Are you all right?" The little hedgehog looked up with big teary eyes. "I'm lost," he whispered, "and very cold." Fiona felt sorry for the lost hedgehog. "Don't worry," she said kindly. "I can help you. What's your name?" "I'm Horace," said the hedgehog, still sniffling. "Well, Horace," said Fiona, "I'm Fiona. Let's find your home together. Do you know where you live?" Horace shook his head sadly. "I don't remember. I wandered away and got lost." Fiona thought for a moment. Autumn forests can be tricky to navigate alone, but I know these woods very well. We'll search together." Horace looked up at Fiona with hope in his eyes. Fiona and Horace started their search. Fiona, with her long legs, walked beside Horace, who shuffled along slowly on his little feet. Fiona made sure to stay at Horace's pace. As they walked, Fiona told Horace stories about the forest, pointing out interesting trees and colorful birds. Horace, in turn, told Fiona about his favorite berries and cozy burrows. They started to become friends. They searched and searched, but they couldn't find Horace's home. The sun began to sink lower in the sky, and the forest grew darker and cooler. Horace started to shiver again. "Don't worry, Horace," said Fiona. "Even if we don't find your home tonight, you can stay with me in my den. It's warm and cozy." Horace felt very grateful for Fiona's kindness. Fiona led Horace to her den, a snug burrow under the roots of a big oak tree. Inside, it was warm and dry, filled with soft moss and leaves. Horace felt safe and comfortable for the first time since getting lost. Fiona shared her dinner of juicy berries with Horace. They ate together, chatting and getting to know each other better. Horace learned that Fiona was brave and clever, and Fiona learned that Horace was gentle and kind. That night, they slept soundly in Fiona's den, side by side, keeping each other warm. Horace no longer felt lost or scared knowing he had a friend in Fiona. The next morning, they continued their search. As they walked, they heard a familiar sound. "Snuffle, snuffle, Horace?" It was another hedgehog's voice. Following the sound, they found Horace's family. His mama and Papa Hedgehog were so happy and relieved to see him, they rushed to hug him tightly. Horace introduced Fiona to his family, explaining how she had helped him. Horace's parents thanked Fiona warmly for her kindness and friendship. Fiona felt happy to have helped reunite Horace with his family. Even though Horace was back with his family, he and Fiona promised to stay friends forever. They knew their forest friendship was something special, born from kindness and adventure. Fiona and Horace waved goodbye, knowing they would see each other again soon in their colorful autumn forest. Hope you enjoyed the story. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more stories like this. Thank you.